This broadcast was issued by the Commonwealth of the Northern Mariana Islands, so please pay attention to this broadcast. And again, this broadcast was issued by the Commonwealth of the Northern Mariana Islands, so please pay attention to this broadcast. If you live in the island of Saipan, please pay attention, as your lives are in danger. There was an incident where a Black Hawk from the U.S. Air Force was flying over the island of Saipan transporting equipment and spotted a train-like creature roaming across the nearby jungle, and apparently this creature has the body of a locomotive and has legs of a spider. Shortly after the creature was spotted, a local taxi driver was attacked by the creature while on a vehicle with a passenger, and the passenger was able to run away and alert authorities. And the passenger told authorities how the creature used its spider legs to break the windshield and pull out the driver and eat the driver alive. And when local police went to the scene, they found the taxi driver's phone and a photo taken before his death. You can tell this creature is not natural and is dangerous. The creature was last spotted in San Roque, so if you live in the areas of Capitol Hill or Garapan, please leave the area for your own safety. We recommend you to take a boat to get to the other side of the island, as taking any type of land vehicle can expose yourself to the creature. Also, we suspect that the creature cannot swim due to its spider-like being and its size. We have gotten support from the U.S. Air Force, as 3 Black Hawks from nearby Guam are patrolling the island to track the creature. If you see the creature in your area, please call authorities and warn others, as this gives the U.S. Air Force the ability to spot the creature and track its location. If you encounter the creature and it does not spot you, please stay calm and quietly go hide and call authorities, and if the creature does spot you, run away and hide and alert authorities. Please do not fight the creature and let authorities handle the situation. Thank you for paying attention to this broadcast. If you know someone who has not seen this message, please let them know.